Yeah. So students, I have muted you all and I have denied the permission that you can unmute yourself. So that means you cannot unmute yourself. So till I allow the permission to unmute, you will not be able to unmute yourself. So this is because we want the class to run smoothly. I will allow you the permission to unmute yourself, but you have to make a promise that you all will unmute yourself only when I ask you questions and only when you have queries, and queries are to be asked when I have finished explaining the topic. Only then you will ask your queries. Okay, so two things are there. First thing, you can unmute yourself only when I ask you questions, and after answering quickly you can mute yourself again. Okay, and the second thing, you can unmute yourself only when you have queries and you can ask your queries only after I have finished explaining. So these two things you have to keep in your mind. Okay, now I am allowing you to unmute yourself, but don't unmute yourself right now. You have to unmute yourself only when I ask you questions. Okay, I'm giving you the permission. Yeah.
सर
Yes.
सर आप मतलब कि जो क्वेश्चन है उसे ब्लैक बोर्ड पर लिख कर भेजेंगे मैम सर, और आप उसको एक्सप्लेन करेंगे ना?
Yeah. I will explain all the questions on the board. And beta,
Okay,
please
sir.
talk in English. Try
Sir,
to.
you are not visible.
I'm not visible.
Yes,
I'm not
sir.
visible because I'm not on the screen. Now, am I visible to you?
Yes, sir.
This.
Yes, sir.
Sir, you are looking good.
Oh, I'm looking good. This bearded man in front of you is your maths teacher. Yeah.
Sir, we have to open the cameras.
This is your maths teacher. Okay. So now I am just leaving space for the code. This is more important than me. So let us start. Just wait for a minute. Has fallen down. Yes. So we have, these are students of class 7. We have already done the first exercise of the chapter unitary method.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah, we have also started the second exercise, but I am going to explain the difference between direct and inverse variation again to you all, because I know this is a new thing for you all. You have studied unitary method in your previous classes also, but you have not studied questions of unitary method on the topic inverse variation. So inverse variation you are seeing for the first time in class 7. You have done questions on direct variation in your previous classes, but not on inverse variation. Because I asked you to please mute
Sir,
yourself.
your voice is not coming.
I asked you all to please mute yourself. Otherwise, I have to deny the permission. Adya Gupta, please mute yourself.
Sir, I can't hear you clearly.
Manal Rastogi, please. Yeah. Yes. Am I audible to others? सबको
Yes,
आवाज
sir.
clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Audible
Sir.
clearly? Yes. That means there is a network issue at your end. Manal and the other one, whoever it was, please check for the network, it is proper or not. And the second thing, what you can do, you can use earphones or headphones. Okay, if you find that the volume is low, you can use headphones. Okay, but there is no issue at my end. There might be a network problem at your end. Okay, so please try to resolve it. Yeah, so we are talking about unitary methods. In this chapter, we have already started doing the B exercise, and I will be explaining the difference between direct and inverse variation again. Okay, so let us take some examples. With the help of these examples, you will very clearly understand the difference between direct variation and inverse variation. If you understand the difference between direct and inverse variation, it will become very, very easy for you all to do questions from this exercise. And I am telling you this, that you will see questions of 2 marks, 3 marks, and 4 marks from this chapter in your exams. There will be questions of 2, 3, and 4 marks from this chapter. Okay. So it is very important for your higher classes also, although you are studying it from your previous classes, but it is important. Yeah, so we were discussing this exercise. We have to now discuss what is the difference between direct and inverse variation. So first of all, let me ask you some basic questions. Okay, be ready to answer them. Let me give you an example. With the help of this example, let us understand what is it. What is the difference? So let us assume that you buy some chocolates from market. The cost of one chocolate is rupees 10. Okay. Cost of one chocolate is rupees 10.
10.
What will be the cost of 5 chocolates?
100 rupees.
And sir,
100 rupees.
100.
100.
Why 100?
Sir, 100.
sir, 50.
Cost
50,
of
50.
5,
50.
50.
Sir,
cost
50.
of
Five
one
Sir,
chocolate is rupees
sir,
10.
10
Cost of
chocolates
five
की
chocolates
cost
is
होती sir
Sir,
100.
50.
10
5
50.
chocolates
chocolate
की
cost
50.
50. 5 chocolate cost
5 chocolate
50.
की 50 होती हैं.
yeah.
sir. 100.
Now mute yourself. You all have answered. You have forgotten to mute
Yes,
yourself.
sir.
Don't forget to mute yourself after answering. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Very good. Very good. 2 are left. Mute yourself. Agrim and Shubho. Shubho Gaming. And yeah, please, very important.
Yes sir.
You all will have to join the meeting with your original names. In your Zoom settings, in your profile, keep your original
Yes, sir.
names. If
Sir,
you
वो
are
Yes, sir. I
changing your
have
names,
joined the meeting with
you are
my original
changing
name
your name,
only.
you are joining with someone else's name, then you will not be allowed to attend the meeting at all.
sir वो YouTube पे सर
You will not be allowed.
वीडियो रिकॉर्ड करते तो सर इस पे नाम चेंज करना पड़ता तो ऐसे ही रह जाता है बस सर चेंज कर दूंगा.
So please mute yourself. Shubho. Yeah. So cost of one chocolate is rupees 10. Therefore, the cost of 5 chocolates will be rupees 50. Now, can you tell me what will be the cost of 9 chocolates?
90.
Sir, 90.
90. 90.
It means
90.
90.
90. 90.
Sir,
Okay.
90 rupees.
Okay,
90
very good.
rupees.
That means if I am buying more chocolates, earlier I bought 5 chocolates, now I am buying 9 chocolates, so I will have to pay more money. Common sense.
Yeah.
For more chocolates,
Yes,
I have to
sir.
pay more money. Okay,
Yes,
if
sir.
one thing is increasing, the other thing is also increasing. If I increase the first quantity, the second quantity is also increasing. There are 2 quantities in this. The first quantity is the number of chocolates. On the left hand side, you are seeing the number of chocolates, 9. and on the right hand side you are seeing the cost. Second thing is the cost of these chocolates. So in questions of unitary method, you always see two things. Two quantities are there, first and second. If the first quantity is increasing and the second quantity is also increasing, the variation is direct. I have explained, I have given you the definition of direct variation. On increasing the quantity of the first thing, the second thing automatically increases. So we can say that the variation between the two quantities is direct. Understood? Now, common sense, we are using common sense here. कभी ऐसा हुआ है आपके साथ, if you went to a shop, you ask the shopkeeper that I want more chocolates, and the shopkeeper says for more chocolates you have to pay less. ऐसा कभी हुआ है? मजा आ जाएगा ऐसा हो जाएगा तो? You are buying more chocolates and the shopkeeper is asking for less money.
No, sir.
No. Common sense है. You are buying more
No,
chocolates,
sir.
you will have to pay more. Yes. So that is why these two quantities are always in direct variation. Okay. So this is an example of direct variation. How and when you can say that the variation is direct? If you are increasing the first quantity, arrow upwards. That means if the first thing is going up, the second thing is also going up. So when both the arrows are going up, the variation is direct. Let us take one more example. 3 chocolates if I buy, how much I have to pay?
30.
I have to pay rupees 30.
30.
That means if I decrease the number of chocolates, then the cost will decrease or increase?
Please.
Decrease.
Again, decrease. So if both the arrows, G. Yes, better. Yes, inquiry. Any question?
No, sir.
Mute
No,
yourself,
sir.
all of you. Mute yourself. आप लोग अनम्यूट करके आप भूल जाते हैं कि हमने अपने आप को अनम्यूट किया है. डोंट फॉरगेट टू म्यूट योरसेल्फ. मनीर, ध्रुव भोजवानी एंड दक्ष भारद्वाज. ध्रुव भोजवानी एंड दक्ष भारद्वाज, म्यूट योरसेल्फ.
सर हमें रिजल्ट
I'm not able to hear you. Dhruv Bhojwani, beta, and Daksh Bhardwaj, yes. Good. So, if both the arrows are going up, first thing is increasing, the second thing is also increasing. Automatically, it is increasing. Second thing will increase automatically. The variation is direct. Okay. And in the second case, if the first thing is decreasing, the second thing is also decreasing. The variation is what? Answer. The variation is second case.
inverse.
Variation is
Inverse.
Inverse.
no. Again direct.
Inverse.
Beta, it is direct. Mute yourself.
Okay, sir.
Both the things going up or both the things going down together, the variation is direct, 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 direct. Got it? Inverse कब होगा? Question arises. Inverse variation कब होगा? So these both
Sir,
are
when-
examples of inverse
Sir,
variation.
when the quantity is more and the
When the first quantity is increasing and the second quantity is decreasing, this is inverse variation. Or it is possible that the first quantity is decreasing and the second quantity is increasing. These both are examples of inverse variation. In such cases, you will see that the variation is inverse. First thing increasing, second thing decreasing, or first thing decreasing, second thing increasing. These are examples of inverse variation. Have you understood direct variation and
Yes,
inverse
sir.
variation basic difference?
Yes,
I will
sir.
give you example of inverse variation also, don't worry. Let me give you an example of inverse variation also. Okay. As a direct variation ka one more example. Suppose there is 4 liter of petrol in car A. Both the cars are of same company, same brand, same car are there. Mileage is the same. Okay. Car A has 4 liters of petrol in it, and car B has 6 liters of petrol in it. Car B has more petrol. So which car will go more distance? Car A or car B?
Car B.
car B.
car B, car
Car
B.
B will obviously go more distance, will cover more distance because
sir.
it has more petrol in it. So more petrol, more distance will be covered. Variation is direct or inverse. More petrol, more distance will be covered. Both the things are going up together.
Direct.
Direct.
Or inverse?
Direct.
The direct.
Sir, direct variation.
Direct.
It is an example of direct variation. Very good. Beta, I want you all to sit with your books and copies and pen and note down the things which are important. I can see Agrim Saxena lying on the bed, sleeping and having fun. Beta, Agrim, please note down the important things. Okay, be very attentive in the class. Yeah. Good. So now let us take an example of inverse variation. I will give you an example of inverse variation now. Let us assume that I have 4 cats with me. 4 cats. I have 4 cats. Although I don't have pets, let us assume that I have some pets. All the 4 are cats. And let us assume that I have some quantity of milk for the cats. Milk is there. And these 4 cats then can consume this quantity of milk in 8 days. In how many days they are going to consume this milk? In 8 days.
Sir,
Okay.
how much the milk quantity?
Whatever the milk quantity, it is fixed. Okay. Whatever is the milk quantity, it is fixed. Don't worry about it. But it is fixed. The milk quantity of milk is constant. It is same. So 4 cats are going to finish this quantity of milk, whatever the quantity is. Suppose X liters, whatever X liters of milk they are going to consume in 8 days. Now, if I went to a pet shop, if I go to a pet shop, then I buy 2 more cats. Okay. I went to a pet shop and I buy 2 more cats. Now, how many cats I have total? How many cats I have now?
6.
6.
6 cats. Are there with me now? Earlier there were 4 cats. Now I have 6 cats.
6
These new
Now
2
buy
cats
two
are
more cats.
also going to take milk. They are also going to drink this milk, consume this milk. So now the milk, the same quantity of milk is the same in both the cases. Now the milk will be finished in less days or more days. ज़्यादा cats
More
हो,
days.
ज़्यादा दिन चले
Sir,
जाएंगे.
less days. Less days.
Obviously the milk will be
More
finished
Less
in
days.
Less days. Less days.
Sir,
More
less
days.
days.
More days.
Less days.
मेरी बात ध्यान से सुनो. Listen to me carefully. Let me explain. If I increase the number of cats, the milk will be whatever milk I had at my house. This milk, मेरे पास कुछ milk था. This milk will be finished in less days now because these cats are also going to consume this milk. The new
Sir,
two
4
cats.
days. 4 days.
4 days.
Whatever,
Yes.
whatever. How many
4
days?
days.
This I'm not asking you.
4 days.
Sir has not given the quantity of milk.
Beta, please listen. I'm not asking you the exact number of days here. You don't have to solve and tell the answer. I'm just explaining you the concept. Okay. So I just want to know that these 6 cats will consume the same quantity of milk in less days or more days. Obviously in less days.
Less
ज़्यादा
days.
अब मिल्क जो है ज़्यादा जल्दी खत्म हो जाएगा.
Less days.
Yes or no? Yes. जल्दी खत्म हो जाएगा. That means in less days. So if the number of cats are increasing, the number of days taken to consume the milk will be less. One thing increasing,
Yes.
the other thing decreasing. Arrows कैसे जा रहे हैं? Are going in the same direction or are going in the opposite directions? Arrows are going in the opposite direction.
Sir, it is inverse inverse.
Inverse variation.
Inverse.
The variation
Indirect
is
variation.
inverse. Very good.
Indirect variation.
The variation is inverse. Understood what is inverse variation now?
Yes, sir.
Let us take another example of inverse variation.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let us take another example. Try this time.
Sir, it is hanging.
Sorry, it is. It is what? Yeah.
Sir, it is hanging.
Beta, there must be a network issue at your end. Try to
Okay,
solve
sir.
this problem. Look for a place where the network is good or look for a good network. Okay. Solve this issue. Yeah. So I am going to give you another example of inverse variation now. Yeah, let us take this example. Now, suppose there are 50 people in my society. How many? 50 members are there in my society. 50
50. 50.
living in a society. 50 members are there. And there is a water tank. Water tank is full of water. Okay, if the water tank of my society has a water tank. This is the water tank. It is full of water. If the water tank is full, then 50 members of the society can consume this water tank. This water tank will be emptied in how many days? In 3 days. I am telling you, it will be emptied in 3 days. 3 दिन में खत्म हो जाएगा. This is the case in my society. Now, what happened that out of these 50 members, 10 members have gone to a trip. They have gone to a trip. Now, how many members are left in the society? 10 members.
40 members.
40.
40
40
members
members.
are left in the society. 40 members are left in the society. Now, this water in the water tank, if the water tank is full, this water will last for more days or less days. Water ज़्यादा दिन
More
चलेगा.
days.
More
More
days.
days.
Because now there are less members in the society, the water will last for more days.
More days.
That means arrow
Inverse.
will go up.
Up.
Number of members are going down or up? Number of members are going down,
Down.
decreasing. But the water will last for more days. पक्का है ये? Common sense वाली बात है या नहीं है? This is common sense. First arrow going down, second arrow going up. Variation. Tell me the variation.
Inverse. Inverse.
Inverse variation.
Inverse.
Good. The variation is inverse. I know my writing is bad. Please ignore me for my writing. And I know that I teach good, teach well. That also I know. दोनों बातें confirm है. That I teach good and my writing is also very bad. ये दोनों बातें मुझे confirm पता है. So, yeah. So first arrow going down, second arrow going up. Variation, tell me the variation quickly.
Inverse.
Understood?
Inverse.
Have you all understood? Give me a
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You all have understood ki direct or inverse variation mein what is the difference. Now, when you are doing the questions of this topic, unitary method, when you are doing the questions in your exam, in your test, in your exams, there will be questions of both the topics, direct variation also and inverse variation also. How will you identify that it is a question of direct variation or inverse variation? This you have to identify using your brain. Common sense का use करके you have to find out. And if you are finding it out, you are identifying correctly that it is a question of direct variation or inverse variation. Only then you are going to do the question correctly. अगर आपने उल्टा पता लगा लिया, if suppose the question is of direct variation, लेकिन you said that it is a question of inverse variation, then you are going to do it in a wrong manner. That means your answer will be wrong. So please practice for this, that a question is of direct variation or inverse variation. In every question, try to understand that it is a question of direct or inverse and practice. So this will make very easy. This will make it very easy for you to understand the topic, and you will find it as the easiest chapter of the syllabus. Okay. Let us take the first question of this exercise. I know we have done the first 5 questions of this exercise already. We have done, because now we are having a live class today. Just to make the topic more clear to you all, I am doing the first question again on the board. Okay. It will be more clear to you all. Question number 1. The question says, just look at the way I am doing the question. Okay. Question number 1 says, now I will explain you the question here. You don't note it down. This is for your explanation. I am going to write something here. You don't have to write this. This is only to explain you. 48 men can dig a trench in 14 days. 48 men can dig a trench in 14 days. How many days? 14 days.
14 days.
Now there are 28 men. These 28 men will do the work in how many days? This is what they are asking. Suppose I have workers at my home. Okay. If I hire more workers, अगर मैं ज़्यादा workers को काम पे लगा देता हूँ, then my work will be finished early or it will take more time. More workers
Early.
will finish the work
Early.
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 So
Sir, my answer is 24 days.
if I increase the number of workers, the time taken will be less. That means
Less.
first arrow up, second arrow
Sir,
down.
24 days.
Inverse. Inverse variation.
Inverse variation. यहाँ पे मैंने किस चीज का use करा? I use my common sense to find out that it is a question of inverse variation, direct variation. Okay. So if suppose the number of men are going down, that means less men are there, then obviously the time taken will be more to finish the work. Now they will
Yes, sir,
take more time
24 days.
because the number of men are less. That means first arrow going down, second arrow going up. Which variation? Inverse.
Inverse variation.
So this
Inverse variation.
Inverse variation.
whatever I have done here to understand the question, this is I have done this to understand the question properly. This you also can do in rough to understand the question.
Sir, I do it the answer.
Very good. Got it or not? This thing you can do in rough to understand the question, to identify whether it is a question of inverse variation.
Sir,
or
I
direct.
speak the answer.
Beta,
I
wait,
have
wait,
also
wait,
done
wait,
the-
wait, wait.
done
I
the-
told you in the
done.
starting only you have to answer only when I ask you. Don't get
Okay,
excited.
sir.
Okay. I will be asking. Don't worry.
Okay, sir.
Let me ink the marker. Just wait for a minute. Till then, let us just keep talking. So you also can do this question. Sorry, do this thing in rough like I have done on the board. You don't have to copy down this in your fair work, in your fair notebook. You don't have to copy this. You can do this thing in rough to understand. Now let us see how to write these statements of this. question and how to do it properly in your pair copies. We are going to write these statements now. Now, what thing we have to find here? We have to find the number of days. So, number of days always should come on the right hand side of these statements. Okay. Let us see the first statement. Number of days taken by 48 men to dig a trench. How many days? 14 days. Beta, turn off your mics. 48 men are taking 14 days to dig a trench. Number of men, number of days taken by one man.
Number of one man. Number of days one man to dig a trench is equal to 48 upon 48
40
into
multiplied by 48. In this case, now because we are doing a question of inverse variation, हम लोगों ने पहले ही पता लगा लिया है that it is a question of inverse variation. First step is to multiply. पहला काम क्या करना है? You have to multiply these two numbers. In the questions of direct variation, first we multiply or first we divide? What we do first? Divide or
first we divide.
in questions of
divide.
direct variation,
First we divide. So first we divide.
So divide.
very good. In questions of direct variation, we first divide. In questions
Divide.
of inverse variation, we first multiply.
Multiply.
Okay. Last statement: number of days taken by 28 men. 14 multiplied by 48 upon 28. I am not going to simplify this. You have to simplify this on your own. I hope you all know how to simplify. You are doing this class 5. So you get 24 days. Answer is 24 days. So it will take 24 days to dig the trench. Sorry. Yeah, 24 days to dig the trench by 28 men. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So please note down the question in your copies.
Sir, I have done it.
Sir, note it down.
Very good.
Note down.
I'm waiting for just 1 minute. If someone has not done it in the copy already, you can note down now.
Sir, I have done.
Very good.
Sir, please give me 5 minutes.
Yeah, 5 minutes. It will take 1 minute to note down.
Sir, second one is more easy. More easy.
The second one is on the same concept again. The meeting might
And sir,
end
third
soon. It will end
And
in
sir,
4
third
minutes.
also.
Meeting will end in 4 minutes. So be quick, all of you. We can do one more question in this.
Sir, I have done.
Question number 3.
I have done.
Sir, question number 3 also very. Sir, I have done.
Good. Now in question 3, we have
Sir,
already
we have
done
to
5
tell
of
about
these.
cow.
We have already done 5 of these questions. So I am not doing all the questions. This is just to explain you all. So we have already done question 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, I am explaining you the third question. Okay. So 45 cows can graze a field in 13 days. How many cows will graze the same field in 9 days? Look at the second statement of the question very carefully. How many cows? Ultimately, you have to find how many cows. So number of cows you will write on the right hand side. Got it? ये आपको second statement से पता चलता है कि क्या चीज निकालनी है. So you have to find how many cows. That means number of cows. This also I told you in the last class that the thing which you have to find out, that thing you have to keep in the RHS. So 13 days. In 13 days, how many cows are grazing the field? How many cows are there? 45 cows in the first case. In 13 days, how many cows are grazing? 45 cows. In the second case, 9 days. To graze the field in 9 days, how many cows are required? This is what we have to find out. That is why I have written the number of cows on the right side, because I have to find the number of
Sir,
cows.
65.
I'm not asking you the
65.
answer, beta. Again, you have forgotten. I'm not asking you the answer. It's good that you have done. Okay. So 13 days, 45 cows, 9 days, how many cows? Let us try to understand. This is the question of direct variation or inverse variation. I have a field, this field. Okay. If less cows are grazing the field, they will take more time to graze the field. And if
Yes,
more
sir.
cows, if I send more cows in the field, they are going to graze the field quickly in less
Yes,
time.
sir.
Yes or no? More
Yes,
cows
sir.
are there, they will graze the field in quick, easily. So in this case, the number of days are less. That means you need more cows to graze the field quickly. To graze the field in less time, you need more cows. So that means the variation is inverse. Now you all can do this on your own, I think. We have already found that the variation is inverse. Quickly do the question. I am waiting for you all to do the question.
Sir, done.
Very
Sir,
good.
done. Sir, done.
Sir, done.
Very good.
जल्दी खा लो, प्लेट प्लीज लेट मी